Fan base, Devdutt Padikkal, Rajat Patidar, Virat Kohli, and especially the team leader, what is his name? Dinesh Karthik. I support him a lot. Because of his past, he is still playing. I support Hardik Pandya too, but I love RCB more. I'm true loyal fan of RCB. Yes.
ಗೈಸ್ ನೋಡಿ ಗೈಸ್, ಇವರು ಇರೋದು ಹೈದರಾಬಾದಲ್ಲಿ, ಆದರೂ ಆರ್ ಸಿ ಬಿಗೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತವ್ರೆ. ಇದು
Half of the Hyderabadians support RCB only, bro.
Because they're out of the tournament, no, that's why they'll support.
No, they're not playing anything. I love Mumbai these days because their comeback is very good. Now the battle is between Mumbai and RCB.
ಈ ಸಲ ಕಪ್
That's it!
ಹೆಂಗೆ ನೋಡಿ.
But we don't know, the 1 week form is now gone. Maybe we'll see on May 17th.
ನೋಡಿ ಗೈಸ್, ಆ ಹುಡುಗಿಯಾಗಿ
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಹೈದರಾಬಾದ್ ಆಗಿ
ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತೆ.
ಆದರೂ ಕನ್ನಡ ಇದು RCB ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್.
ಸೂಪರ್ ಸೂಪರ್. ಚೆನ್ನೈ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಡಿ.